is Ahriel Nari, and this is my YouTube channel. Why was my voice so high? Not gonna lie, really excited. So I figured I'd start off by introducing myself to you guys by doing a loc tag. So let's get into it. All right, question number 1. Do you remember the specific moment you decided you were going to dread your hair? Where were you and how did you feel? I actually do not remember the specific moment I decided I was gonna dread my hair. So what happened was my last year in college, things was getting intense. You got finals, school turned up on me. So at the time I had been natural. I had this gorgeous fro, and I'm not even bragging. I just say gorgeous because I miss it actually. I miss the power and the honor of the fro. But I had a fro at the time. And fro maintenance, you gotta twist it every night, you gotta pick it out every day, you gotta stay on point. And it was just getting to be too much. I just couldn't take care of it every day like how I wanted. And I just couldn't. I just could not. So the next logical step to me was to lock my hair. And at the time I was also in South Florida, and it'd be dreaded down there and it'd be looking good. So I was just like, might as well. Number 2, what method, if any, did you use to start your dreadlocks? I actually started mine with comb coils. Yeah, and I went to a loctician. Shout out to Ichechi. Ichechi, if you see this, thank you. I am forever indebted to you. And so yeah, I went to a loctician. She started mine with comb coils. Question number 3. How old are your dreadlocks? Specifically, I don't feel like doing the math right now. I'm not gonna lie. But they are roughly 2 years and some change. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna make a whole video that has my entire loc journey up to this point to make it easier. How about that? Okay, next question. Do you have any dreads that are especially unique, strange, or awesome? Well, actually, all my dreads are awesome. No, but honestly, I do. So, I have this one dread in the back that is flat. It's just flat. I'm not even gonna show it to you right now because I'm kind of self-conscious about it, but it's flat. I got it interlocked one time and I tried to switch back to palm rolling and it just didn't make the transition. It was I don't know what you're trying to do, but I'm just doing this. I'm doing my own thing and it's fine. It's fine. I love it anyway. it just does its own thing and it's cool. Number 5, or maybe even 6, I'm not even sure at this point. How many dreads do you currently have? Is that the same number you started with? I tried to count my locks once. Yeah, I didn't make it. It's a lot. That's a process to do. I think I have between 60 and 70 locks. This is the amount that I started with. Yeah. Next question. Do you do any regular maintenance on your dreads? Actually, I'm pretty much a low maintenance type of gal. So I retwist my hair every 6 to 8 weeks when I'm on top of it, Sometimes things get hectic and it goes a little longer than that, but it's all good. I spray water in it. I put oil in it. That's it. I'm pretty basic, I'm not gonna lie. I will make a video for you guys though later that goes more into depth of what my exact routine is. All right, number 9, or whatever number we're on, because at this point I'm just throwing out numbers. Have you ever had a freak accident or an embarrassing moment involving your dreads? Yes, actually I have. All right, so I was volunteering once at this food bank and I had just started my locks at this point. They couldn't have been a month old. honestly. I don't remember exactly how old they were, but I think they were like a few weeks old. So anyway, I'm doing my thing, you know, volunteering, spreading good, spreading love. And, you know, you have to lift with the food. So I started sweating because, you know, I get hot. And I sweated out my lock, y'all. Like, it just came loose. And the craziest thing is that it was only one lock that came loose. And it was in the back of my head, and it was just sticking straight out. I looked like alfalfa, honestly, and it was like so embarrassing because I didn't have anything to like put it down or anything like that. So I just had to spend the rest of my time with this piece of hair just sticking straight out the back of my head. Had to charge it to the game though. And last question. How many people do you know personally with dreadlocks? I mean, honestly, I'm not counting or anything, but a lot. I'm just gonna go out and say like 10. I don't know, but I will say that people with locks are the coolest people you ever meet. So get you a dreadhead. So that wraps up my lock tag. If you have any other questions that you just need to get off your chest and you feel like Ahriel Nari needs to answer this, go ahead and put it in the comment section and I'll reply to you and we can get this conversation going. Yeah, so stay tuned for my next video, which will be my lock journey. That should be fun. You don't want to miss it.